Hi everyone, welcome back to Web Solution. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to cancel repost on TikTok. So keep watching the video until the end to learn how. Now let's get started. First of all, open up your TikTok app. Then click on the profile option in the bottom right corner. Here, click on the repost option. Now click on the video that you wanna cancel the repost. Click on the arrow button in the right hand side of the screen. Then click on Remove Repost option. And here you can see that the video has been removed. And that is how you can cancel repost on TikTok. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, please give us a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feedback, please leave a comment in the section below. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates and click the bell icon to receive notifications whenever we post a new video. We'll be back soon with a new video. Thank you for watching.